Lesson 2. Pongal celebration. Festivals have been celebrated since the beginning of civilization. There were festivals in the spring season when the earth became green again, and the people could grow crops. There were festivals in autumn, when the crops were harvested. Many of these festivals are celebrated even today. A festival is a special time set aside for people to celebrate some particular season or enjoy themselves in a particular way. It may be a single day, or several days, or longer. Each region in India has its own festivals connected with seasons, with their gods and goddesses, saints and spiritual leaders. As a result, celebrations of one kind or other go on throughout the year in different parts of India. These festivals bring large groups of people together and give them a feeling of oneness. They also bring peace and joy, fun and laughter into the lives of common people. Pongal is a famous festival celebrated in South India with great pomp and show. It is celebrated on the first day of the Tamil month Thai, around mid-January. It marks the end of rice harvesting in Tamil Nadu. The day before Pongal is Bogi, the day for spring cleaning. In the morning, all the cobwebs are removed and the houses are whitewashed. In the evening, floral designs known as kolam are drawn on the washed and scrubbed floors, using rice paste and red color. Later in the evening, all the unwanted odds and ends and junk from all the houses in the neighborhood are collected in a heap and burned. The children of the locality gather round the bonfire beating their little drums, called Bogi Kottu, which are specially made for the occasion. The next day, on the day of Pongal, people get up early in the morning and wear new clothes. A large column is drawn for the sun god just at the entrance to the house. The Pongal festival is dedicated to him because without the sun there would be no crops. It is a day of thanksgiving. A special dish, Salakkarai Pongal, is prepared in a large earthen pot, which is filled with milk and put on the mud oven. As the milk boils, the newly harvested rice and jaggery are added to it. When the mixture becomes creamy thick, spices are added for taste and flavor. An image of the sun god is drawn on a wooden plank and prayers are offered to him. Pongal is also offered to the god, after which it is distributed among all. Small pieces of sugarcane are also distributed along with it. The day following Pongal is Mattu Pongal. A very exciting game called Manji Virattu is held on this day. Pongal is cooked on this day too and offered to a miniature image of Lord Ganesha made from cow dung. After prayers to Lord Ganesha, the carts, plows and farm animals, cows and bulls, are garlanded with beads and bells and their foreheads smeared with turmeric and kumkum. The horns of the bulls are carefully shaped to fine points, painted and fitted with metal caps. Bags containing money are tied round their necks. These bulls are then let loose in the streets. Groups of young men chase them and try to ride them and remove the bags of money. Often the bulls are ferocious and throw off the riders, who are sometimes injured seriously. But the fun goes on until all the bags have been removed. This is followed by a bullock cart race, in which everyone takes part.